Hello everybody, it is a joy to have you here with us at Rocko's Music Factory. Today our good friend Theo is here. What's up, Theo?
The ceiling?
I'll take it. What can we do for you?
Well, Mr. Stephen, I was at church this weekend and my friend Michael was telling me all about his cool new bike with blue paint and flashy lights and no training wheels.
Well, that does sound like a pretty cool bike.
Oh yeah, he said he'd let me ride it. But then my mom said that I needed to stand still and stop talking and all this other stuff.
Well, Theo, your mom's right. In church, we act differently than we do outside of church because the services are set aside specifically for us to focus on Christ.
Sounds hard.
Well, it can be hard to stand still and be quiet sometimes, but hey, you know, there are actually a lot of things you can do in church.
Really? Like what?
I am glad you asked, and I think I know somebody who might have an answer. Come on. Excuse me, Rocko.
You're excused.
Hey, Rocko. Theo here needs some help with how we should act in church. You think that you can give him a song to help him out?
Challenge accepted.
Hmm.
Here we go.
In church you'll find a different state of mind. We all carry ourselves a special way. We stand and sing while all the time paying attention to the words and hymns we pray. We stand aright and stand with fear, not talking to our friends. We know that this is God's house, we can talk when the service ends. You'll light a candle, put it in the stand. You'll venerate the icons with a kiss. The priest and deacon in the altar sing and distribute to us the holy gifts. We'll only find salvation within Christ's holy church, and Orthodoxy is the truth, so you'll never have to search. In church we pray a special sort of way, like standing still and listening and keeping quiet and saying prayers and paying attention and making our cross and singing our hymns and bowing our heads and lighting a candle, receiving the gifts and hearing the gospel and seeing the priests and smelling the incense and tasting the bread and hearing the bells,
looking at the iconography,
contemplating the salvific mystery of the incarnation. That's how we act in church. How we act in church.
Okay, Theo, here we go. Just a little longer. 7 seconds? Well, that's a new personal best. I could stand still for anything. Mom, is liturgy longer than 7 seconds? We have to go to church, even if we stand there like stumps.